Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share something incredibly exciting with you. Imagine making $6,000 a month just by playing GTAV and boosting your TikTok live streams. Sounds too good to be true, huh? Well, it's not. In fact, I've got many friends who are doing that and just that, and they are earning really way above the $6,000. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it and how you can too. There's a new tool that I'm going to show, Tiksurge. This tool is too great. It will change your life game. Turn on notifications so you never miss out of any of the tips to grow your social media presence and make money online. So I'll give you a very fast overview. So here's TikTok, right? I will show you how easy you can just take your stream. So I'll enter a random stream in TikTok. I'll just take the username, right? I'll put it here. I'll press connect. It says connecting. And how it connects, it will connect to that room ID and it will show all gifts, likes, comments, shares, and it will show even the live video feed of that stream. You can even close the sound of the video. You can make it full screen. You will see the top viewers. It will show you analytics, views, viewers per minute, moving average, and gifts per minute. This, guys, is worth it on its own. The $30 a month is worth it on its own. Making $100 or $200 a day and paying $30 a month is a win in my book. And they have not only that, so you can monitor that in real time, but not only that, you can have actions and events, general settings. You can put any setting that you need, widgets, goals, widget X, which is the last sharer, follower, liker, etc. And they have this, what we are talking about today. This is the interactive game. They have GTAV King of the Hill, and they have GTAV Racing. We will focus today on GTAV Racing. And guys, this is so easy. So all you have to do is put your game directory here, press install or update, wait a few seconds, and installation successful, you guys. That's it. It will update here. It's up to date. If it has an update, like this becomes 1.0.9 or something, it will tell you it's need an update, and you can press here install an update, and that's it. Tiksurge comes with a ready Elden Ring and GTAV Race profile, so you can download this and start streaming right away. And I'll give you guys a free PNG that you can put in your stream to start streaming right now. Just buy, download, and that's it. So you tell me, well, how can I download Tiksurge? Right. Okay, so you come in here on tiksurge.com. So you write tiksurge.com, right? You enter Tiksurge, right? You press here and buy now, or scroll down. Press and subscribe. You choose 1 month, 3 months, 12 months, or 6 months. You fill your data, right? You buy, press buy now. And after you buy, you get a checkout with a download and a license key. So you press on the download, right? You download it and save it. And once it's downloaded, and now open it with WinRAR and just extract it. After extracting it, just run it as administrator, because some, and not all, of the features in Tiksurge require as administrator. You don't have to, but installation or uninstallation, depending on your system, might need administrator privileges. And you just copy your license and just put it there. Press enter. It will check your license and connect you to the server. And now if you connect here, so this viewer has 7,000 concurrent, yeah, and this shows how many viewers he has in a minute. So he is concurrenting between 125, 57, 200, and even like 26, right? Now, creating a VIP player and creating player by like, here we'll make it like anything that is above 0 diamonds in TikTok, you will join like a VIP player. Or anyone who do by like or by comment or by share, they can join regularly. The difference between VIP and regular player, cars of VIP players is faster, a little bit faster. Here is a change car, so we have boost player and boost player VIP. So this boosting player VIP is boosting through, you can do it not through gifts, but player VIP in this profile is for gifts. So it's for gifts. And you can change the car of the player who sent the gift. You just press change car, you write the car name, and it will change the car. Blow all but him. So if you send, in this case, a money gun, which is, you can do it by diamond count or a gift. So you can specify a gift, but I love to specify a diamond count because all people are different and they will sometimes send gifts that are not there, right? And they will blow every car but his car, and he will win automatically. This is pretty neat, guys. This was never done before. You can boost by comment, you can boost by share, you can create player by follow, by share, you can change car, you can stop all cars, you can do a lot of things. You see here, not a lot of games, not only game, but you can do PC simulation, you can do sound file, video file, sound URL, online sound library, which does have a lot of sound that you can just use. What was that? You can test any of that. All what you have to do, once this is activated already, you just connect your stream, right? Like we are connected here. You just connect your stream and open GTA. Press K, then you press U. You can change all of that. There's a config file in GTAV. You can change all of that. You can edit all of these keys. And then you choose a waypoint that will start from here. Let's say there, right here, right? And then you press U to open the queue. And see, all people who are on stream liking or sharing right now, they will be in black. People who will gift or VIP will appear in yellow or gold. Let's wait. Maybe someone will send a gift here. Maybe, maybe not. And you see, once someone has sent a gift, he joins as a VIP player immediately. And if someone joins again, like now, you see, he is immediately in there. You see? And then after you finish the queue, right? You press J, and then you press U to end the queue, right? And start the countdown. It counts down to 1. And this guy was never in TikTok. Some guys made it cheaply. This is the original. Now they'll start streaming. They'll start running. People who are liking are moving, you see? People who are not liking or not sending gifts are not moving. You can join them how you want. You can see each player. And players who really will go to find in the race. All these people are competing, so in your stream it will be better. You see, guys, by people sending gifts to you, and this can be done by anybody who has 1,000 followers on TikTok, which I will share in another video how you can do that in 2 days, even if you don't know what you are doing on TikTok. You can do that in 2 days by a small investment of, I don't know, like $10, and you can make up to $6,000 or even more in a month. All that was an initial investment of maybe $30. GTAV Tiksurge Racing is your ticket to boosting TikTok. Tiksurge in itself, for the analytics and the customizations, the widgets, the actions, it has an unlimited potential of what you can do with stream. It has webhooks, so you can control something, let's say a smart light at your home, right? Please, if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.